Apply WD-40 to your toilet bowl, and you'll be surprised at what it can do. Today I'm going to show you 5 surprising and incredibly useful ways to use it in your home and daily life. Stay with me until the end. You'll thank me forever for this. Let's start with the first tip. If your door has been driving you crazy with that constant squeak every time you open or close it, this one's for you. Simply spray a small amount of WD-40 directly onto the door hinges, holding a paper towel underneath to prevent drips. The difference is instant. The noise disappears and the door moves smoothly again. No more annoying squeaks interrupting your day. Comment below which city you're watching from. Let's see where everyone is tuning in from. Now let's move on to the second tip, which is even better. Got leather shoes that have lost their shine and look old and tired? Spray a light coat of WD-40 directly onto the surface of the shoes. Then, with a clean cloth or paper towel, wipe and gently polish. You'll see the shine come back right before your eyes, and your shoes will look refreshed, almost like new. These are just some of the ways WD-40 can make your life easier. From fixing squeaky doors to restoring shoes, cleaning kitchenware, removing rust, helping with jewelry, and even keeping the bathroom spotless. Let's go to the third tip, and this one might surprise you. If you have a stained, greasy, or just worn-out pan, spray a small amount of WD-40 on the surface. Wipe with a cloth, and you'll see the dirt and grease come off easily, leaving the pan cleaner and shinier than you imagined. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. This single product does it all. Do you have any similar tricks in your home? Share them in the comments. Now let's go to the fourth tip, scissors. Over time, scissors can build up rust, especially around the screw in the middle, making them harder to use. A quick spray of WD-40 right on that joint can loosen it and also protect against more rust. Just open and close the blades a few times after spraying, and they'll feel almost like new again. If you liked these tips, leave a comment saying which one you're going to try first. The fifth tip is one of my favorites: removing a stuck ring. If you've ever had a ring stuck on your finger and couldn't find soap or cream nearby, WD-40 can save the day. Spray a small amount around the base of your finger, twist the ring gently, and it will slide off without discomfort. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. And now comes the last, but very important use. This one happens inside your bathroom. Spray WD-40 inside the toilet bowl, focusing on the sides and under the rim. What it does is create a slippery protective layer on the porcelain, preventing stains, mineral deposits, or anything else from sticking. Don't forget to like, share with friends, and follow for more simple and effective tricks that make daily life easier.